All right, this is the Fastest Roadside Guy Alive here in Indianapolis. Just pulling up to this customer. 2010 Ford Focus. They got 2 flat tires. So we're going to pull their wheels off and take them to the tire store. This is a service you should definitely be offering. That's one of the reasons I got a pickup truck. I get a lot of calls for these. If you're going to have a website or a Facebook presence and you're going to be doing, retail calls, people calling your phone looking for you, you're going to want to offer this service. So let's see how this goes. Alright, looks like both driver's side tires are flat. The first thing I always do is check to make sure the tool fits on all the lugs. You get a lot of problems with those. With these Fords. Impact gun battery's low. Yeah, it sucks. Well, this is the worst case scenario when you have to get out your breaker bar. This is what makes the job hard. And they're not even tight. My gun's just, I don't know, when it's cold out, doesn't operate that great, I guess. Being a little finicky today. Could finally be wearing out. I've had it a long time. I think my gun's breaking. Sounds weak as fuck. Since we're doing a tire swap, I always want to leave it on a jack stand. And I probably just goofed because my gun's not going to get those off. Equipment does fail once in a while. Sometimes this gun just gets cold in the morning. I'll leave it on my floorboard in the truck. Forgot to do that. Batteries could be wearing out. They're over 3 years old. Wintertime equipment doesn't work as good as normal, just generally. Karate chop. And I don't like to leave my jack. I don't like to leave it up on a jack. See how this goes. I don't like to leave my jack at a job site. I always take the lug nuts with me too. Just never know. All right. So we're up on jack stands, 2 tires in the back of the truck, heading just right down the street to Firestone. Shouldn't take long, but this is the X factor. This could be a time sink. You never know how long they're going to take at the tire store. I always tell them I got a customer stuck on the highway and ask them if they can get me out of there fast. A lot of times they do. All right, going to the tire store. Oh, 12 minutes and 45 seconds for this first video, so we're not setting any records, but we're getting it done. All right, got super lucky. The Firestone that we're going to on Sunday morning at 9 a.m. is less than like 3 minutes from where the flat tires are. So we didn't waste a lot of time driving. We'll just see how long it takes to get in and out of here. This is the X factor. All right, yeah, Bell Tire, Discount Tire, they'll usually get you out fast. I'm never hung up there. Come to Firestones, get hung up sometimes. This guy told me 30 to 45 minutes. There's one car in front of us, can't slide us in. I get it. May not actually be 30 to 45 minutes, maybe a little faster than that. We'll wait to complain until we know. Until then, on hold. This is the time sink, but this is also why you charge a lot. All right, that's what I would consider to be a long ass time. 45 minutes almost exactly at the Firestone. They probably could have done it a little faster. They said one of the tires didn't want a seat, so they had to pump it up a lot, wait a minute, hit it with a hammer or whatever to get it to seat. No biggie. On my way back to the vehicle right now. All right, made it back here to the vehicle. The good news is it looks like it did not fall off the jack stands, so we are good to go. Always use my toe to kind of lever it up there. Makes picking up a big full-size tire a little easier. About 45 seconds of sheer panic as the lug nuts fell out of my pocket. Never had that before. Thought that was thrilling. There you go. And we just got to load up the truck. All right, that took a long ass time. I think I got here at 9:54. It's 10:15 now, so an hour and 21 minutes. Could be worse. It's a service you can charge a premium for, obviously. There's not a lot of tire shops open today. You don't have a lot of options. But we were able to get that done, going to Firestone. That's it. Fastest Roadside Guy Alive. I'm out.